Como allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va?
Mhm.
Ça va bien. Ça va très bien. Ça va mal. Comme si comme ça.
Very good. Okay, read this also.
Je vais bien.
Okay, so today we will discuss this slide. Okay, all right. So Shivansh, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Comment vous appelez-vous?
Mhm.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Mhm.
Je m'appelle Shivansh.
Okay, so
Next
this
one.
is not pels. Okay, you are not going to say pels. You are not going to pronounce S. Okay, that will be wrong. I will say no to yes. Okay, so you are going to say tapel. Tapel. Okay, yeah.
T'appelles, okay.
All right.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Tapel, very good.
T'appelles.
That's great. Okay, read this.
Où habitez-vous?
No,
Où habites-tu?
no. Same mistake you are doing. Mhm. Okay, I'm giving.
Où habitez-vous?
No,
Où
same.
habites-tu?
No, same mistake. So just think about it, what we discussed. Just think about it.
Où habitez-vous?
No.
Où habitez-vous? Où
Okay.
habites-tu?
Wow. So one more time, just read this line.
Où habitez-vous?
Yeah.
Où habites-tu?
That's great. So now you got it, right? So this is
I got
habite. Yes. So où habitez-vous and où habites-tu. Okay. Read the answer.
J'habite à Delhi.
Okay.
J'habite à Noida.
Okay. All right. So this one, read this slide.
Yes.
Yeah.
Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge as-tu? J'ai 5 ans.
So how to say 5?
J'ai 5 ans. J'ai 5 ans.
5 ans. That's great. So j'ai 5 ans. Okay. All right. Okay. So next slide.
Yes. Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va?
Okay.
Je vais bien.
Okay.
Ça va bien. Ça va très bien. Ça va mal.
Okay.
Comme si, comme ça.
Very good. Well tried. Okay. So today we are going to discuss this slide. Okay. So are you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
No, wait, not quite, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
What is rabbit in French?
Oh, lapin. So rabbit as in lapin. Okay.
All right.
All right. Okay. So this is como allez-vous. Okay. Como allez-vous.
Comment allez-vous? All right.
Yeah. Como allez-vous. Como allez-vous.
Comment allez-vous?
Yes. So this is not
Comment ça va?
como. Okay, hold on. This is not como allez-vous. Okay. So this is
Comment allez-vous?
allez-vous. Tale, lock. How to say lock? Okay. Tale. Okay. Como allez-vous. Right? Okay. So
Yes,
como
comment
allez-vous? Okay. Repeat this question 5 times. Como
Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
That's great. Okay, Srishti, read this line.
Comment allez-vous?
Very good. So do you understand the meaning of this question? Como allez-vous? If I say Srishti, como allez-vous?
How are you?
Yeah. Okay. So Shivansh, como allez-vous? What does it mean? Yes.
It means how are you?
How are you? Okay, Nikunj. So what do you think? What is the meaning of this question? Okay, como allez-vous? How are you? That's great. So what is the difference between como allez-vous and como ça va? Who will tell me? Wow.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
one is informal and the second is formal.
Okay, so first question is formal question. So which one is formal? Como allez-vous? This is the formal question. Okay. Como allez-vous? Formal question. Como ça va? Informal question. Okay. You got it? So como talevu, como sava. Okay. So je vais bien. Repeat after me. Je vais bien.
Je vais.
Je vais bien. Je
vais bien.
vais. Okay. So this is
Je
vais. Je vais bien. Je vais. Je vais. Repeat after me. Je vais
bien. Je vais
Yeah.
bien.
Je vais bien. Very good. So this is je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Repeat after me.
Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien.
Very good. Okay, Srishti, it's your turn. Yes?
Je
Yeah.
vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien.
Okay, Nikunj. Je vais bien. Okay.
Je vais bien, je vais bien, je vais bien, je vais bien, je vais bien.
That's great. Okay, so now you got to know. Okay, so if I say Shivansh, como talevu, so your answer will be
Je vais bien.
je vais bien. Okay, Srishti, como talevu?
Je vais bien.
Je vais bien. Nikunj, como talevu?
Je vais bien.
Je vais bien. Yes. Nikunj, como talevu?
What is
Je
the
vais
meaning?
bien.
Je vais bien.
Yeah, so je vais bien means I'm doing good. Okay, je vais bien means I'm doing good. Okay, I'm feeling good. All right. So this is how you respond je vais bien. Okay. So next one is como ça va? Como ça va means ça va bien, ça va très bien, ça va mal. And this is comme si comme ça. Last one is comme si comme ça. Okay. Comme si comme ça. Repeat after me. Comme si comme ça.
Comme si, comme ça.
Comme si comme ça. Okay.
Comme si, comme ça.
Yes. Okay. Srishti.
Comme si,
Comment
comme
ça
ça.
va?
Comme si comme ça. Okay. So now you added one more feeling about yourself. Like if you are not feeling good, like you're feeling okay, okay, neither too good, not too bad. Okay. So then you can say comme si comme ça. Okay. All right. So ça va bien, ça va très bien, ça va mal, comme si comme ça. So you have notebook with you? Yes?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So now what you can do? So you are going to write this one also. Okay. Comme si comme ça. Write this. Comme si comme ça.
Ma'am, I've already written it. I've already written
Me
it.
too,
Okay,
I've already
Shivansh,
written
have you
it.
written this in your notebook?
Yes, only some from before I've written, so I'm gonna continue with that.
Yeah, okay. So just write this slide in your notebook. Okay, so you can write all the 4 options.
Ma'am, I've already written it.
Written? Okay, so we can give time to Shivansh. Okay, so just write this in your notebook. Ça va bien, ça va très bien, ça va mal, comme si comme ça. Okay, all right. So Srishti, now you can start continuing. Okay, reading this slide. Yes, Srishti, read the slide one more time. Yeah, yeah.
Como ça va?
Mm-hmm. Okay,
Como,
yeah, yeah.
como allez-vous?
Okay, so como talez-vous? Okay, como
Huh. Como
vous?
allez-vous? Como ça va?
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so your answer will be?
Como ça va?
Okay,
Como ça va? Ça va très bien, ça va bien.
ça va
Ça
mal.
va mal? Ça va mal?
Yeah,
Can
so this is comme si comme ça. Okay, comme si.
comme si comme ça.
Yeah, that's great. So
Comme si comme ça.
yeah, hold on. Okay, just give me a second. So I'm making it bigger. So is it easy to read? Comme si comme ça?
Yes.
Okay, so comme si comme ça. Okay, comme si comme ça. Okay, comme si comme ça. Okay, practice it. Come see, come sa. Practice it. Yes, come see, come sa. Okay, this is very important word. I like this. Okay, this is my favorite word. Come see, come sa. Okay, Nikunj. Okay, I would like you to read the slide one more time. Okay, unmute yourself, Nikunj. Yeah, that's great.
Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va?
Okay,
Ça va bien.
okay.
Ça va. Non. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Ça va très bien. Ça va mal. Comme ci, comme ça.
Okay, so Nikunj, आपको क्या practice करना है? You have to practice je vais bien. Okay, je vais bien. So this is je vais bien. Say je vais bien. Unmute. Yes.
Je vais bien.
Yeah. Okay. Repeat 5 times.
Je vais bien.
Yeah.
Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais bien.
That's great. Okay. So now you got it. Je vais bien. Okay. So if I say comment allez-vous, your answer will be je vais bien. Okay, Shivansh, are you ready to read this slide?
Yes.
Okay.
Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va? Je vais bien. Ça va bien. Ça va très bien. Ça va mal. Comme si, comme ça.
Oh, come see, come sa.
Yes.
Okay. This is come see.
Comme ça.
Right. And also this is comment allez-vous. Okay. This is
Okay,
comment allez-vous. Okay.
Yes, I'm still writing.
Yeah. Comment allez-vous. Although you see this is ending with T and starting with A. So you have to say, you should say this way, comment allez-vous, but this will be wrong. Okay. So you should say comment allez-vous. Okay.
Tale.
Yeah.
Tale.
Comment allez-vous. Okay. Comment allez-vous. So T, do you see the T? The last letter. T.
The last letter, yes. T,
Yes.
T, T, T,
So
T.
T will be added to A. So that's why we are saying tale. Okay. Como talez-vous. That's great. So this is como talez-vous. Okay. Are you done, Shivansh?
Yes, only the Savabia, Savathebia, Savamal, Kamsi Kamsam, and Javabia left.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Okay. So you can write it. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Now I'm sharing another screen. Okay. Just give me a second, Shivansh. Okay. Do you see the screen? Both of you, Srishti and Nikunj? Yes? Okay, so you know what we are going? Okay, on this slide, you will find these are the questions. Okay, so one of you will ask the question and other person will answer it. Okay? All right, Srishti, you got it? Nikunj, you got it? Okay, all right. Okay, okay, Shivansh, keep doing. All right. So, okay. So now I'm sharing this screen. Okay, Srishti, just ask the question. Yeah. Formal question. Okay. Just read the formal question. Srishti. Como vous? Yeah.
Comment vous appelez-vous to Shivansh, Nikunj, or you?
Okay, to Nikunj. Nikunj.
Okay, comment vous appelez-vous?
Okay, Nikunj.
Je
Yes.
m'appelle Nikunj.
Okay, next question, Srishti.
Où habitez-vous?
Habite. Okay. Où habitez-vous? Okay. Yeah.
Habitez-vous.
J'habitais walking.
Okay. Next question. Yeah.
Comment allez-vous?
No, you have asked this question. Okay, so you forgot this third question also. Quel âge?
Quel âge avez-vous?
Okay.
J'ai 9 ans.
Okay. Next question, Komo.
Como talevu.
Okay.
To
Yeah.
Shirvan.
Komo Talevu, Nikunj.
Kamsi kamsa.
Kamsi Kamsa. Okay, all right.
No, actually,
Yeah.
Savathebia.
Oh, Savathebia. That's amazing. Okay, so now your question to Srishti. Okay. Just read the formal question. Okay.
Como vous appelez-vous?
Okay. Yeah, Srishti, your answer.
Srishti Sharma.
That's great. Okay. Next question.
Où habitez-vous?
Hmm. Okay.
Ma'am,
Srishti.
did he write the question? I'm not able to hear him.
Okay. So, où habitez-vous?
Où habitez-vous?
Yeah.
Where do you live?
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. So, your answer will begin.
Here, Noida.
Ja-
Noida.
Okay. So, J'habite. Okay. You're going to say J'habite.
Jabi and Noida.
J'habite à Noida. Okay. All right. So, next question, Nikunj. Now.
Quel âge avez-vous?
Okay.
Quel âge avez-vous?
Mm-hmm. That's great. Quel âge avez-vous? So what? Yeah.
Quel âge avez-vous?
Yeah. Wow.
Quel âge?
Mm-hmm.
Âge asked you.
Okay. So yeah, आपको answer करना है, Srishti. So this is the question, right? So Nikunj is asking, okay, quel âge avez-vous? So do you understand what is the meaning of this line? Quel âge? Yeah. So do you know how to answer it? Very good. Yeah. Wow.
I am not able to remember it.
Okay. So you have to answer it this way. Okay. Je
Je
n'avons.
Je n'avons.
Yeah, that's great. So you have to say je n'avons. Very good. Okay. That's great. Okay. Okay. Next question, Nikunj. Srishti, you are on mute. Yeah.
Comment allez-vous?
Yeah.
Comment
Yeah.
allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Yeah.
Savathebia.
Savathebia, that's great. Okay, so Srishti, if Nikunj is saying the question one more time, okay, Nikunj, just ask the question one more time. Quel âge avez-vous? Yeah.
Quel âge avez-vous?
Yeah. Srishti, now your answer will be, yeah.
Je n'avons.
That's great. Now you got it. Yes, Srishti? Yes. Wow. So, je n'avons. Very good. Good job. Okay. So, Shivansh, are you ready? Yes. Shivansh. Okay. Are you ready?
Ma'am, I am writing the last one.
Last one? Okay. So, you can just leave for now. Okay. You can write it later. Okay.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
right. Yeah. So, let's have a conversation with Nikunj. Okay. Yeah. Nikunj, so just ask the question and Shivansh will answer. Okay.
Which one? Informal or formal?
Formal question? Yeah. Formal?
Comment vous appelez-vous?
Yeah.
Je m'appelle Shivansh.
Okay. Next question?
Où habitez-vous?
J'habite à Delhi.
That's great.
Quel âge avez-vous?
J'ai 5 ans.
Wow. Okay.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va mal.
Ça va mal? Wow. Why mal? Mal. Okay. All right. Okay. You know, Shivansh, you have to correct one thing. So, j'habite à. Okay. So, this is j'habita. À. Not A, but this is A. J'habita Delhi. Okay. J'habita Delhi. All right. Okay. So, Shivansh, this time you will be asking the question and Srishti will answer. Okay.
Okay.
Srishti, are you ready?
Yes.
Srishti?
I'm ready.
Yes? Okay, that's great. Unmute yourself. Srishti? Yeah. Okay, wow. Okay, Shivansh will ask the question. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Continue.
Como tu t'appelles?
Okay, so just ask the formal question. Okay, Shivansh? Just ask the...
Comment vous appelez-vous?
Wow.
M'appelle Srishti.
Okay, that's great.
Où habitez-vous?
No, again.
Où habitez-vous?
Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Yeah.
J'ai à Noida.
Okay, so Srishti, you have to say Jabit. Okay?
Jabit. Yes.
Jabit. Yeah.
Jabita, Noida.
Jabita, Noida. Okay.
J'habite à Noida.
Yeah. So,
Quel âge avez-vous?
yeah.
J'ai 9 ans.
Okay, that's great.
Comment allez-vous? Comment... Ça va très bien.
Wow. Okay, so Shivansh, so this is Como Talevu. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Como Talevu. Okay? Como Talevu. Say Como Talevu. Como Talevu.
Comment allez-vous?
10 times. Say 10 times. Como Talevu.
Comment allez-vous? 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 Comment allez-vous?
That's amazing, Shivansh. Okay, better. Okay, Srishti, you have to practice Jabita Noida. Okay, just practice it. Jabita Noida. Okay. Yeah, unmute yourself. Yeah. That's better.
J'habite Noida.
Okay, very good. All right. So now we have discussed the formal question, right? Okay. Better? All right. That's amazing. Okay. So Shivansh, are you done with the last point? Okay.
Almost.
Almost? Okay. All right. So now we will discuss the informal question, right? Informal question. And you know, the best part is they have the same answer. The question is different. Yes, but the answer is same. All right. Okay. So who will discuss, who will start with the informal question? Okay. Who will start? Nikunj? Okay. All right. Very good. Nikunj and Srishti. Okay. All right. Okay, continue, Nikunj. Yeah. I cannot hear you, Nikunj.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Okay. Srishti.
Je m'appelle Srishti Sharma.
Okay. Next question. Yeah.
Où habites-tu?
Okay. Yes, Srishti. Yeah. Jabit. Okay.
J'habite Noida.
Very good. Okay.
J'habite.
Yeah, Jabit. Jabit. Okay. Next question, Nikunj.
Quel âge as-tu?
Okay.
J'ai 9 ans.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Next question, Nikunj.
Comment ça va?
Okay.
What did he said? I'm not able to
Ça va.
hear.
Como ça va? He's saying Como ça va?
Ça va très bien.
Ça va très bien? Okay, all right. Okay, so Srishti, it's your turn. Ask the question. Yeah. Yeah.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Okay, wow.
Je m'appelle Nikunj.
That's amazing. Okay, next
Où
question.
habitez-vous?
So this is U Abit. Okay, U Abit Chu.
Où habitez-vous?
J'habite walking.
Okay, Jabit. Okay, Nikunj,
J'habite walking.
Jabit. So this is Jabit, not Jabite. So you are going to say Jabite, no. You're going to say Abite only with Vu. Okay, if you want to say Vu, then only you are going to say Abite. Otherwise,
J'habite walking.
yeah. So, all right. So next question, Srishti.
Next question.
Yeah.
Où as-tu?
Quel âge?
Quel âge as-tu?
Very good.
J'ai 9 ans.
Okay.
Comment ça va?
Ça va mal.
Ça va mal? Okay. All right. So Shivansh, are you ready? Okay. So Srishti will ask the question. Okay.
Okay, anyway, I'm done with writing all of that.
Oh, that's great. Amazing. Okay, Srishti, just ask the question. Informal question. Yeah. I think you are on mute, Srishti.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Okay.
Je m'appelle Shivansh.
Okay.
Où habitez-vous?
Où habite? Okay. Où habite
Où
tu?
habite?
Yeah.
Où habites-tu?
Okay.
J'habite à Delhi.
Okay.
Quel âge as-tu?
Okay.
What is that? J'ai 5 ans.
Very good. Okay. J'ai 5 ans. Okay. Next question.
Comment
Yeah.
ça va?
Ça
va bien.
va bien. That's great. Okay. So Shivansh and Nikunj, both of you are ready?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So who is going to ask the question? Yeah. Okay. Both of you? Okay. So Shivansh will ask the question this time. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Continue.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Pels? No. Tapel. Okay.
T'appelles, alright. Yeah.
Tapel. Okay. All right.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Okay.
Je m'appelle Nikunj.
Okay.
Où habites-tu?
Okay.
J'habite walking.
Okay.
Quel âge as-tu?
Yeah.
J'ai 9 ans.
Now, that's great.
Comment ça va?
Yeah.
Ça va mal.
Ça va mal. Oh. Okay. All right. So, okay. So now one thing, I would like all of you to read this question. Okay. So this is où habitez-vous? Okay. This is où habitez-vous? And this is où habites-tu? Yes. Où habitez-vous? And this is où habites-tu? Okay. You got my point? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Nikunj, read.
Où habitez-vous? Où habites-tu?
Okay, Shivansh. Yeah.
Comment tu
No.
t'appelles?
No. Read this question. Second one. Okay. Où habitez-vous? Où habites-tu? Yeah.
Où habitez-vous? Où habites-tu?
Okay.
Quel
Okay.
âge avez-vous? Quel âge as-tu?
Hold on.
Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va?
Okay. So this is comment allez-vous? Okay. Comment allez-vous? Okay, Srishti, read these two questions. This one and this one. These two questions. Okay. Où habitez-vous and où habites-tu? Okay. These two.
Habitez-vous? Où habites-tu?
Yeah. So this is où habitez-vous and this is où habites-tu. Okay. So if you see EZ, do you see EZ? Yes, EZ. So this is habite. Okay. ES, so this is habit. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. All right. That's great. Okay. So you have any question? You have any doubt from this slide? All right. So you have any question from this slide? You want to read one more time?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, all right. So Shivansh, do you want to read the slide one more time?
Yes.
Okay, continue. Yeah.
Como vous appelez-vous?
Hmm.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Hmm.
Où habitez-vous?
Hmm.
Où habites-tu?
Hmm.
Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge as-tu? Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va?
Wow, that's amazing, Shivansh. Good job. You know one thing, this is Como Talebu. Okay?
Allez-vous, yes.
Yeah, rest is amazing. Just one correction. So this is Como Talebu. Make sure you practice it. Okay? Como Talebu. Very good. Good job. Okay, so Srishti, very good. Continue. Very good, Srishti. Smile.
Yes,
Smile
ma'am.
on your face. Srishti. Yes, that's better.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Comment vous appelez-vous?
Wow. Okay.
Comment à t'appelles?
Chew. Okay, como chew. Yeah.
T'appelles.
Okay.
Où habitez-vous? Où habites-tu?
Wow.
Où
Quel.
quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge as-tu?
That's amazing.
Comment allez-vous? Comment ça va?
That's amazing. Very good. All of you are doing good job. Okay. Hai bhaiya. All right. So next slide is, do you see next slide? This one? Wow. This is a new word, right? New word, right?
Yes.
Can you read this?
Shante.
Oh.
Enchante.
Enchante. Okay, Srishti. Would you like to